What's up, everybody? It's the Common Sense Investor coming at you with another video. In this video, I've gotten a lot of requests to show y'all how and where I'm getting this indicator that's from ChatGPT, and it's over here on my TradingView chart. Okay, if you don't have TradingView, look down in the description. There's a link down below. You can get a free 30-day subscription. You can go to indicators and you just simply type in MACD plus, and all of these indicators will come up. All right, it's the very first one, MACD plus RSI plus the ADX strategy by ChatGPT. All right, what that is, that's the moving average convergence divergence indicator, the RSI, which gives you the overbought and oversold of the stock, and the ADX that tells me what is the strength of the trend. Is it in a bullish trend, and how strong is that? And is it in a bearish trend, and how strong is that? And I can get a better idea of when to enter and exit a trade. All right. So once you just click on it, and it'll be added to your chart. I also use volume, of course, and the SMA. That's the blue line. The candles are always going to want to return to the baseline unless you have a major spike up, and then it has to consolidate like it's doing right now. That right now we're just waiting on the next push up, and when it does, it'll go above it and it'll look really hard push like we've seen in the past couple of days. All right, but it's got to get above it right now, and right now it's not above it. But ChatGPT gave me a long signal way back here, and so I set the profit and loss. Now the thing about it is, I don't use stop losses, but when you add this indicator and a long signal is triggered, it will tell you where to get into the trade. Then it will give you the long exit from the trade right here, long stop, and that tells you where you need to set your stop loss if you're going to use one. Now, I don't use one simply because I don't want to alert the algorithm of where my selling price will be. All right, I watch it on a continual basis. I don't need to set a stop loss. I know that it stopped out right here, but since this is one of the buy and hold stocks that I have right now, I wasn't concerned about the stop loss. What I was more concerned with was it going to adhere to the triangle that it is set up here, and it did. It broke above the triangle, and then it rested back on the trend line, and it's about to make its next move up. So we're in good shape, but you never take just the indicators advice on buying. You want to look down here and have the MACD already installed also. And right now, it's about to cross over. So we're looking real good there. And then if I look right here on my RSI and I stretch it up, what I'm looking for is the crossovers. And it's happening right now on the 50. So if I was going to buy one more candle, and I'll probably would get in. All right? Or add to my position, because I got in way back in the back when it was 12 cents. So we're looking good. Now, let's talk about real quick the hype behind this stock. How many people was disappointed come 9 o'clock this morning when Fed Now kicked off and all the hype that's been going on behind it? And now people are discouraged and going, I knew I shouldn't have believed in this shit. It's not that simple, people. I remember when they was giving Bitcoin away. All right? And if I would have just bought that Bitcoin back then, or kept the ones that I got for when I signed up for these platforms, my God, it went up to $60,000. So it's the same thing with XRP and XLM. As far as I'm concerned, buy and hold it, just like I would my AMC. I've held that motherfucker for 2 years. If I got to, but I know I don't have to, because 3 major banks are fixing to buy in to XLM and XRP. So I know I don't have to wait that long. I just have to learn that the devil has a playground here as well, and that it's important for me to find out where he's playing and what his con is, because I heard another YouTuber talking about how this is such an amazing thing. We can come over here and there's no manipulation. I thought to myself, you lying motherfucker. Now you know goddamn well better than that. The devil has a playground everywhere. Same person that I'm talking about convinced everybody to run over to the OTC because the devil wasn't there and they got slaughtered. So, don't go deeper than you can afford. I'm going to start a little $100 challenge and see how fast it's going to climb up to 1,000 with XLM. And I'll be posting the videos daily on what the increase is. Alright? So, starting tomorrow, we will have the $100 challenge where I'm going to show y'all if you use ChatGPT and you get in when it tells you to get in, you'll be fine. Everything and how to read these charts. Alright, so with that, love y'all, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.